So that's that bit done. So we've
Brilliant.
taken the split away.
Yeah.
Um,
That's very quick, isn't it?
yeah. I'm just going to put some little internal stitches in, just to give it a bit of support, you know.
So what are internal stitches?
So the ones you can't see.
Oh, and they're the ones that
They're
melt
dissolvable.
away, right?
Yeah, they're dissolvable.
We use a lot of those, don't we, Ag?
Yeah, we do.
So you can't see them. So
Oh, clever.
because basically the idea is that the skin itself
Yeah.
shouldn't have any tension on it.
Now this little stitch you will notice when you take the dressing off in a week,
Okay.
but it's a little tiny dissolvable stitch
Yeah.
and it will come away on its own.
Oh, okay. So
Okay.
they all right.
You can't repiece this for about 3 months.
Can't repiece for
Sure, about 3 months.
3 months. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. And you can't get it wet, can you, for a certain amount of
No,
time?
if you can, leave it 24 hours before you wash your hair.
Oh, I thought it was
Yeah,
longer than that. Okay.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
that's
If you just
cool.
leave it 24 hours, because the dressing is fairly stayed on by then.
Right.
You know, it's quite secure.
So just tell us how the whole procedure was.
It was really completely painless, really super fast. Yeah, it was really interesting. I like the idea that I can actually watch the footage of it afterwards, so that everything was kind of explained to me along the way, so I kind of knew what to expect. Yeah, I was amazed by how quick it was.
Oh, that's good. So now we're going to let you have a look at your ear. So have a look. So you can open your eyes. Yeah. So it's a little bit swollen.
Wow,
But you see it's got a little so have a look. So you can look as close as you want.
that's amazing. But not touched it. Wow.
So it's got see the little baby stitches.
Yeah,
It's
so neat.
they're the size of the hair.
Yeah, are they
Pretty much.
really?
Yeah.
They're that thin?
Yeah.
Blimey.
Actually, when you sew up, sometimes they look like
Yeah, they
hairs,
look
so you
like
get
hair.
confused with hairs.
Mhm.